him in outside.
Not in the back
No,
door?
because I don't want him to see the old cable connection, please.
So where do you want me to bring him?
He has to come inside and deal with the box.
Okay, so why don't you come out and go talk to him?
You talk to the AI.
Okay, you go talk to him.
If someone needs to come inside to deal with a box or equipment, ensure that 1. Make sure the area is accessible and safe for the person to enter. 2.
Pause.
Clearly communicate any specific
Can you
instructions or
please
requirements
stop?
regarding the box or equipment. 3.
Can you please
If
stop?
privacy is a concern.
How do I pause?
Understood.
How
If
do
you
I,
have any specific questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please let me know.
how do I pause you when you're speaking? What I'd like you to do is not list so many items, but after you finish one item, you pause and let me interject. Can you do that?
Yes, I can do that. I will provide information in a more concise manner and pause for your input after each point. Please let me know the topic you'd like to discuss.
Okay, I wanted to discuss what is open source software and how does it differ from closed source or proprietary software. And go point by point, but pause between points so I can interject.
One, this type of software has its source code made publicly available, allowing anyone to view, modify, and distribute it. Pause for interjection.
Thank you. So in pausing for interjection, I'd like to interject that it will be open source that we can modify. Go to the second point.
Two, this software has its source code kept secret, meaning users cannot view, modify, or distribute it. Only the original creators maintain control over the software. Pause for interjection.
So this software means what?
Closed source software means that the software is proprietary, and users are typically required to pay for licenses. They cannot access the underlying code, which restricts customization and understanding of how the software operates. Pause for interjection.
So, give me an example of closed proprietary software compared to an example of open source software.
Three, Microsoft Windows is a prominent example. Users must purchase licenses, and the source code is not available for public access or modification. Pause for interjection.
My question now becomes, what is the AI?
4. An example of open source software is the Linux operating system. Its source code is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. Pause for interjection.
Hi, what is your name?
Lionel.
Lionel? Okay. Hi.
Hi.
So
Let
he'll
me
show you.
explain to you what
Okay.
it is. Let me show you the TV and show you the problem. So when I have different TVs, this was an old cable box that you can take back if you want to. And this TV, and this is
It seems there may have been a misunderstanding. If you meant to continue discussing open source and closed source software, please clarify your question or topic. If you would like to shift to a different subject, let me know what you would like to discuss.
So you see this.
Yeah, this is the TV.
Yeah, the line is no good, and this box here is not going on top.
No. But this problem is the line.
I don't know what this problem. You're the professional, not me. But I have two TVs and I have three TVs, and they all do the same thing. I was putting it on, I tightened it, I loosened it. Here, look at this one too.
You're welcome. If you have any specific questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please let me know.
Look
Please
at this
provide more
one.
context or specify what you would like to discuss or look at.
Okay.
I'm here to assist you.
Right,
Now,
right,
you
yeah,
don't- you don't
yeah,
have
right,
to-
right.
Okay.
You see the cream? The cream is.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
and also this, I put this TV also, and I change this, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't.
Okay, I have one HDMI in my truck.
Yeah,
It seems like you
okay.
might be discussing
If you put
changes.
one HDMI is better.
Hey,
But it doesn't, this TV is an old TV. It says HDMI, it doesn't have HDMI. Or this one has HDMI.
Yeah, but this one, yeah, you have one HDMI here.
But what will you connect the HDMI to what?
And in the box. Let me see, maybe in the box you have one HDMI.
This box doesn't
You're
have
welcome.
HDMI.
If you have any further questions or topics to discuss, feel free to let me know. Please provide more context or specify what you would like to continue discussing. I'm here to assist you with any topic or question you have. It seems there may be a misunderstanding. If you have a specific topic or question in mind, please share it so I can provide the information you need. Could you please clarify what you would like to discuss or continue with? I'm here to help with any specific topics or questions.
We'll talk later. Thank
Yes, I
you.
know, but it's the internet. What is the TV box? The TV box.
I don't know. Now it's better, don't touch it now. What did you do?
Hey, this is the problem. You see,
Okay.
the problem is the TV. You touch.
Yeah. So you think it's the TV, not the
It's
cable?
The TV, not the cable.
Can you check it? You have equipment to
Yeah, I
check
have
it?
one equipment here.
Yeah,
I
you
check
get,
the line.
okay.
So you touch only this.
Touch, no
Look, look, look.
touch,
But now, sometimes I don't touch anything.
I know.
I was telling them that it works and then by itself it stops.
But why two? You know,
Why is it working now? What did you do with it?
Nothing. Only.
nada.
Yes, nothing.
Nada.
Only those. You see.
I have to keep you here.
Eh?
Yeah.
It seems like you might be discussing an issue with a TV or equipment and troubleshooting it. If you have specific questions about the problem or need assistance
A
with
to
diagnosing the
cvičenie
issue,
zgodze?
please provide more details so I can help effectively.
I know that it's not the price of gold, it's the
Now
value.
it's better, no?
So,
Yeah,
listen,
yeah.
this is
What did you
I
do?
by myself.
Only touch the cable.
Touch it.
Yeah, only touch.
Yeah,
that's it.
I did it myself and I told them when I touch the cable and I tighten it, it worked for a while. But after some time, all of a
The
sudden,
problem is the cable. The problem is
Okay.
the
What cable?
The problem is the TV. The TV, the
Platinum and palladium.
but half of the TV you have one barrel. The barrel is too old.
Too old.
Yes, it's too old.
On why
You
diversification
touch.
of physical gold.
don't do it. Leave it. Can you check? You say you
Please provide more context.
HDMI?
The signal is fine. The problem is the HDMI is too small. You have the box in here. The
Yeah.
HDMI, you don't do the HDMI from here. You understand?
But there is.
It's too long.
It's too wide of a
You want to
space.
connect the HDMI
Like,
to my computer? My computer has
No, this is the problem.
it. But you don't have HDMI.
Yes, you don't have HDMI.
can we upgrade?
You have a cable
No.
HDMI? Also, they told
Okay,
me.
you have one box in here. You see?
Yeah, there's
Behind from here, you have one box for TV. Okay, but the HDMI is too small. It's only
So
2 feet.
what can I do? And also, they told me that they will give you a small box. That they have a new box that is called EXO. EXO.
Exo, no. Exo or Sumo?
Zumo.
No, it's no good.
No good.
Use only this.
They,
Okay?
they
But
don't
what-
know what they're talking about. And
No,
they
no,
told
no,
And
me-
they tell you on the phone we need Zumo.
No, you know Sumo. You know
What
use
is
Sumo.
Zumo?
Sumo is one package. You don't have it. You don't need this package. Okay? You have the main box. Okay? It's better. It's better to use one.
Aber jetzt habe ich gesagt,
I showed him the cable
Yeah,
outside.
right.
He said it is not a problem.
No, the problem is the cable.
Can you double check it, please?
No,
You
I'm
are
checking
here.
my
Yeah,
phone.
check.
I don't want you to call.
No worry. I check my
I don't
phone.
want you
It's
to
no
waste
problem.
my
You see,
time.
look.
Right,
Only
Abby.
you touch here.
touch it.
That I know. I did it by myself. Please don't touch it now. You got it to work with. I'll call you back when it doesn't work again.
This is the problem. See, you see the screen.
Yeah. It's snowy.
From
Snowy.
here, you touch small, but it's slow. Too slow. You touch.
But
That's
listen,
it.
sometimes it becomes bad and I don't touch.
No,
That's
Don't
it.
touch it.
no worry. It's too old.
An hour after you go, I'll buy a new television from the store and I'll put it here and I will.
See, you put new television, you don't have problem.
You said new
You'll
to.
come back. I'll lose
Yes,
your name. You
yes,
give me your
yes,
name.
yes.
Then
You
Can
have
I-
problem.
تكاخد مسبار تلفون
let me
directly
get your information.
Okay.
Because I don't
Abby,
want to complain to Xfinity.
they don't know your stuff, so give them your
You know
phone.
what I mean? And then they invite you again and again.
You're welcome. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to ask. It seems you are discussing issues with the TV setup, including potential signal problems and the possibility of upgrading equipment. If you're
Yes.
considering purchasing a new television or need to troubleshoot the current setup, it may be helpful to check the connections, ensure compatibility with devices, and verify that the signal source is functioning correctly.
Yeah.
If you have specific questions or need guidance on a particular aspect, please let me know. If you are looking to address specific information, please clarify what topics or details you would like to discuss.
Okay.
This could include troubleshooting steps for your TV setup, options for upgrading equipment,
Okay,
or any
stop.
other related queries.
Pause.
I'm here to assist you with clear and concise.
Thank you. What my issue is you speak many topics. How can I have you speak in one topic and then have me respond? I'm teaching a class and I want you to be my co-host. So how can we do it? You bring up like 5 points, and what I want to do is have you bring up 1 point, I'll respond, and then I want you to bring up the second point. So what should I tell you or ask you to do to have this done in the future conversations? What do you suggest? How should I speak to you?
That we're going to be able to manage. I feel a lot more comfortable today because I feel
To facilitate a structured conversation where I present 1 point at a time for you to respond to, you can follow these steps. 1. Clearly state the topic you want to discuss. 2. Ask me to provide 1 point or piece of information related to that topic. 3. After I present a point, you can respond, and then I will wait for your cue to present the next point. For example, you could say, please provide 1 point about specific topic, and after my response, you can share your thoughts before asking for the next point. This way, the conversation remains focused and interactive.
Okay, let's start. Give me 1 point of what is open source and what is the advantage to businesses.
Open source refers to software whose source code is made available to the public for use, modification, and distribution. One key advantage is cost savings. Open source software typically has no licensing fees, allowing businesses to reduce software costs. Additionally, it promotes flexibility and customization, enabling companies to tailor the software to meet their specific needs. Feel free to respond or ask for the next point.
There is a splitter. One cable goes to the computer and the other cable goes to the